Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon Gentile here. We are bringing you your market update for June in Livingston County. And let's jump right into it as I give you guys the disclaimer and the description and the explanation every single time, every single month. For the last 3 years we've been doing this. We have 3 years of data here. That way you can see the pattern. We want you to be able to see the pattern. If I only showed you this year, this past month, it wouldn't mean a thing to you. So we have the 3 years of June 2016, June 2017, June 2018. That way you can see the pattern and what's going on. You can compare and make educated decisions for you and your family. We also do June. We do the month previous because we had the data. All the data, the month is now complete. We have all the data and now we can share this with you. So it is the most accurate, up-to-date information you're going to find anywhere. You're just not going to find this anywhere else. So this is actual MLS, multiple listing service data. So let's jump right into it. Days on market. Days on market, 55, 43, 30. Huge decrease, 25 days, almost a month decrease over the last 2 years with time on market. That is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So what does that mean? It means it's a seller's market. It means prices are going up, inventory is low, it's a seller's market. Active homes, 994, 837, 774. Usually, really, this is like a moment in time type of statistic. When you take this data point, it really encapsulates what's going on right that second. Still, huge decrease over the last 2 years. Incredible. So again, low inventory is what it means. Months of inventory, 3, 2, and 2. This is a rounded number. This ratio, though, is basically something you can look at and say really quickly, what kind of market are we in? Months of inventory means at the current rate that homes are selling, if no new homes come to the market, how long will it take to sell every last home? And that's the month of inventory. That's what that number means. A balanced market is really about 4, you could probably get into 4, but about 5, 6 months of inventory. And when you get into 8, 10, 15 plus months of inventory, that's just steep buyer's market. We had that in the crash, in the recession. So this is, really telling us it's a huge seller's market right now. And it's like this in all the counties of Metro Detroit, really kind of all over, especially in Michigan. New homes in the market. So this is new homes that were listed that came onto the market in this past month, in June. And again, this number has went up a little bit last year actually, but it decreased again, especially since 2 years ago and since last year. So again, homes are down, not as many homes coming onto the market as there have been. So again, it's something to note, something to see and realize that these homes are, they're down. Things are down right now. It's pretty incredible. So the last two here, price per square foot, this again, increasing steadily, up $16 over the last 2 years, $6 from last year. Again, low inventory, when demand is high and the inventory is low, prices increase, right? Just simple, economics 101. Your econ 101 class in college, if you will. And then sold homes. This is your buyer statistic. This shows you really how many buyers are out there. And again, it looks like it's dipped a little bit. This number doesn't change too much unless you have a recession or depression, something really big, catastrophic that really obliterates the market. But we really don't see too much change in here usually. This has changed a little bit. So sometimes we have an anomaly, a number that's an anomaly. Usually we have 1 in a set of 18 numbers when we do this. Sometimes there's 2. This looks like it's our 1 for this set, for this county. And again, that could mean anything. It could mean just it was a weird month. Not as many people buying. Could mean a lot of homes fell apart. Could mean 60 homes fell apart. Who knows? So you got to take this as a whole. That's why we do 3 years of data as well. That way you can see this. And if you have questions or concerns or comments, go look at all the past years we've been doing this, the past months we've been doing this, and start to put that data together. You'll see those patterns. And that's why we try to do as much, I would do 10 years of data if I could, but I can't, I don't have the room. So check that out, check our previous videos out, and let me know what you think. It's a clear seller's market. It's been like that for a year and a half solid at least, and probably before that a little bit as well. And we're seeing homes flying off the shelf, and there's not a lot of buyers can do about it right now. So if you want to know what buyers can do, we have a bunch of other videos on our Facebook timeline here. You just got to scroll through. They're on a YouTube channel as well. And check those out there, what buyers can do to fight through a seller's market and vice versa, what sellers can do in a seller's market, because homes are going to go fast. What do you have to do to prepare to get ready to sell fast? So we appreciate your guys' time, your energy, and we know it's the most important thing we have. We don't get any more time. So we appreciate you spending with us. We're humbled and honored because of that. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.